Hey guys, Noise here with today's daily recap. I'm up 78 cents today, which is 0.15%, and it's a pretty choppy day. I think I was at the wrong side for quite a couple of tickers. So, firstly was CCXI. Pre-market trade, if I'm not. Yeah, pre-market trade. 1 second. I'm gonna chase it. So, after the news, I see it's going up. I added on this pullback. I'm not sure why it's showing here, but I added on this pullback at 30.75. So I saw on the first pop on this candle at 32.74, which is a nice 2 points. So this basically gave me a really good cushion to go into the day. However, I did not trade it as I did not like how the action was. So yeah, in the open, basically just fits all the way. So one good trade here. Then secondly is PED. I messed up big time here. Same thing was a pre-market ad. I added here for it to break the view up. So at 216, but I tried for the view up, but it failed. So it's still holding here. There's a very strong bottom here. As you can see, there was quite a couple of candles at this bottom. So it's holding here really strong. So I was thinking, okay, this seems like a pretty good area. 211, if I'm not wrong, was the bottom. So in the open, when it went up, but then it came back down here, so I saw some of it, and as it goes down further, I keep on selling, and basically I'm all out at 2. But I probably was too cautious here. I was minding my P&L too much. I didn't want to lose back my P&L, so I got out here despite it. The bottom is 2, and it held the full point at 2. So yeah, pretty frustrating. It held 2 and then basically bounced back up. As you can see now, it's pretty nice. It went up to 232. Probably it did reverse here and cross the view up and crossing everything. So I think I got out too early but I didn't want to hold too much, because if it fails through and it goes below 2, it could basically dips down pretty badly. So as it's going down, as you can see, 201, I got out, and then somehow it held 2, and just a 1 minute candle hits 2 and basically never came down anymore. So yeah, pretty frustrating for this, but I did what I think was right at that time, and hindsight's a bitch, right? So not gonna dwell over this too much, but this is probably my ugliest loser today. Then we got BMRA, losing trade if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I got in at the pre-market here, since it's trying to call at 6.7, sorry. So in the open, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it continued to go down, but I think it didn't broke this bottom. 620, yeah, it didn't go lower than here, so I was still bullish on it. Even if you do draw a trend line here to here, it's still pretty nice uptrend. But I didn't want to stay too long, and it's past 10, so I'm thinking like, alright, I'll just sell here since it's building the view up, and basically I got out. Seems like a decent move since it's going down even further. It's trying to curl and it's still holding this bottom trend line, but I don't think it has much volume and momentum now, so I got out here. CEI, couldn't remember, but I think it's alright. Guess not. I got in here at this dip, thinking this could be the dip at 219, as you can see here. So it held here, which I think was pretty good. Then it dips further, so I got out here. And same thing like PED. After I got out, same thing, it kind of held through here similarly. I got out at 206 earlier, so it held through and it came all the way up again, similar to PED. So pretty frustrating here. So basically CI and PED both got really strong support at 2, surprisingly, and it's only on the mini candle. So after that 1 minute hitting 2, it went up all the way. Seems really fishy here, a little sus. So a lose is a lose, and this is hindsight. And I got out at 206, which is pretty alright. So after all, a green day is a green day. I'm not gonna dwell on it too much. KXIN, I think this is a really nice trade. Yeah. So why did I buy in KXIN and why is the volume pretty weird? So KXIN is a sympathy stock of RENN, and RENN was going crazy just now, hitting 40%. So I got in here at 242. Since I see RENN hotter up, I immediately punch in 242 since I know KXIN is a sympathy of it. Then I basically let it run, got off at 247, and then when RENN got momentum knife, I got out at 245, but it continued to went up. But I mean, you can't basically take every profit, right? And I don't like how this stopping tails after that, so I felt a little better. So yeah, RENN I didn't trade, but just to show you guys, it halted up here, and at this halt is the reason I got in KXIN. So yeah, that's all for today's day recap. As you can see, it's decent amount of trades, a little more than I wanted, and PED and CEI are very bad losers, but thankfully I scaled in at the right size so I wouldn't lose all my profits away, and not being too greedy, so I'm still able to walk off green. That's what matters. So up 0.15% today. I mean, yeah, it's just 78 cents and you can't buy anything here. So however, from my point of view, is I'm up 0.15%, and that's what matters. And it's a Friday, so ending the week on the green day into the weekend is always great. So yep, just gonna sign off here, and enjoy the weekend, guys. Take your mind off tradings and all. It's better for your mental health. So overall, if I'm not wrong, it's 3 green days out of 5, which is pretty good. However, I think I'm not too sure. Maybe I'm still break even. Not sure if maybe even if I'm green or red is slightly below $1, which is slightly below 0.2%. So the month is still early, and we have plenty of trading days to go. And I've recently read an article like October usually has the most how do I say, a lot of red days, but November and December is where the momentum will really pick back up. So we're just gonna grind through here and reduce our red day size and spread them further apart. Then just get our head right, be ready for November and December momentum. So yeah, that's all for today's recap. As usual, stay safe, trade safe, peace.